Want to protect your profits or control your entry price more precisely? If advanced order types seem intimidating, you're not alone. Today, we're placing stop-loss and limit orders on the Schwab platform. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A limit order sets your exact price, while a stop-loss order triggers a market order once a stock hits a certain price, limiting your potential losses. Step 1. Choose your order type. When placing a trade in Schwab, change the order type from market to either limit or stop loss. You'll see new fields appear for your specified price. Step 2. Set your price and duration. For a limit order, enter the maximum you'll pay when buying or minimum you'll accept when selling. For a stop loss, set the price that triggers the sale. Choose day, good for today, or GTC, good till cancelled, 60 days. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Use stop limit orders for volatile stocks. A regular stop loss can execute at a bad price during a flash crash. Instead, use a stop limit order, which triggers a limit order once the stop price is hit. This gives you maximum control over your execution price. So, just like that, you're trading with professional risk management tools. Using advanced orders goes a long way in protecting your capital and executing your strategy precisely. Now I'm curious, which order type do you use most often? Market, limit, or stop orders? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.